Have you ever wondered how rare it is that we even exist? Let's start at the beginning, not with us, but with the universe itself. 13.8 billion years ago, everything was compressed into a point smaller than a proton. Then came the expansion. Space, time, energy, and matter burst into existence. But here's the kicker. The forces that govern reality are finely tuned. If any of them were slightly different, we wouldn't be here at all. For instance, if the strong nuclear force were just 2% weaker, no atoms would form. And if it were 0.5% stronger, all hydrogen would have fused right after the Big Bang. The odds of the universe being just right for galaxies to form. About 1 in a number so large, it's 10 followed by 120 zeros. That's not just rare, it's like throwing a dart across the universe and hitting a single atom. And it doesn't stop there. Dozens of constants had to align perfectly for complexity to arise. Fast forward to 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was young and hot, spinning fast. Then, a planet-sized impactor collided with Earth, forming the Moon. Without the Moon, Earth's tilt would wobble wildly, leading to chaos instead of stability. The Moon's gravity stabilizes our tilt, allowing seasons and a predictable climate. And it created tides, where some of the first self-replicating molecules may have formed. No Moon, possibly no life, or at least a much harder path to it. Now, life begins. Around 3.7 billion years ago, some arrangement of elements started copying itself. For 2 billion years, life remained simple, just single cells without complexity. Then, a miracle happened. One microbe swallowed another and made a deal. This partnership led to complex cells, neurons, and eventually, brains. All complex life descends from that one moment, powering every heartbeat and thought. Now, evolution takes over. Life explores every form, from fish to dinosaurs. Then, 66 million years ago, an asteroid hit, causing mass extinction. But small mammals survived, hiding in burrows, waiting for their chance. When the light returned, mammals filled every niche, and one branch became primates. Our ancestors came down from trees, brains grew, and 300,000 years ago, Homo sapiens emerged. Not as conquerors, but as survivors of a chain of events that began with an asteroid strike. If that asteroid had missed, dinosaurs might still rule, and we'd be in the shadows. Intelligence like ours is a luxury evolution wouldn't risk in a world ruled by dinosaurs. So, no cities, no language, no one asking, why are we here? And still, the odds keep narrowing. Every one of your ancestors had to survive and reproduce. One broken bone or missed mating season, and the chain breaks. Your genome is a random shuffle, but the odds of you being born, effectively zero. Yet, here you are, a statistical miracle. So, what's the probability that humans exist? Let's multiply it out. Universe allows structure. 1 in a number so large it's 10 followed by 120 zeros. Star like the sun, 1 in 10. Planet inhabitable zone, 1 in 100. Giant impact forming a large moon, 1 in 10,000. Life begins, maybe 1 in a billion. Complex cells evolve, 1 in 100 million. Intelligence evolves, 1 in 5 billion. You, specifically, 1 in 398 million. Multiply them together, and the number is smaller than anything we can write. It's not zero, but it's so close that each of us is a miracle. We're not here by destiny, but by a series of fragile events that didn't fail. And now, we're the only species that can ask, Why are we here? We're not the purpose of the universe, but we are its most improbable expression. And that gives us something rare: responsibility. If consciousness is this hard to make, what do we do with it? Do we waste it, or do we use it to understand and protect? So the next time you feel small under the night sky, remember this: the universe unfolded perfectly for you to be here right now, asking this question. And that's not just luck, it's a call to action. If we're this unlikely, then every choice matters. Every life matters. You matter.